How to buy YouTube Premium with Apple Gift Card. For this purpose, you just have to follow the steps in this video. First, go to the App Store in your mobile menu, and after going there, scroll down until you see an option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on this option and now you will be able to see your gift card. Now you can redeem your gift card by using camera or enter code manually. After that, go to the YouTube and tap on your profile icon. You will be redirected here. From here, select the option that says Get YouTube Premium. Now, this will show you the option to try 1 month for free, or you can buy it with your payment. Now confirm the payment and you can choose the option individual or family. Get your selection and you will be able to buy YouTube Premium with Apple Gift Card. That's all. Thanks for watching.